Dumas. You remember?
Alexander
so, a
Dumas.
man and a woman physician very famous. Pierre and Marie Curie, they were buried here. The man who invented the language for blind people, Braille. You have so many, and we also have philosophers like Rousseau, Diderot. They were buried in the Panthéon. It's possible to visit. Well, you need to buy a ticket.
Not but Greek influence.
So we are on a hill now. You could see on a hill. So you remember, because you've seen Montmartre, it's on another hill in Paris. The highest, it's Montmartre. So that's nice, Montmartre. Voilà, exactement, la place du Tertre. Ouais. Ah oui, where you have painters. Alors, have you seen the movie Midnight Paris?
Yes.
Woody Allen? No? Okay, because something happened just in the corner in a few seconds on the church. Alors, look at a magnificent church. Because you are so interested in church, look at this one, that's magnificent. It's Saint-Étienne-du-Mont. And it's mixed of Renaissance style. It's very beautiful. So just on your right, it's a library for students. Now it's closed, or because it's Sunday, but also now it's vacation, it's holidays in France. It's the same for you, for students. School finished, but it's not completely finished for small classes, but it's in 1 week it's finished. But the baccalaureate, you know, there is an exam called baccalaureate, and now that's finished. So, baccalaureate, if you are 17 or 18, you could have this exam if you want to go to university. If you don't have, it's impossible to go to university. As you know, we don't pay for university. We pay just a subscription, 300 euros, and after it's free. Alors, we pay taxes, but we don't pay really for directly. That's very nice.
Kaylin, we're moving to France.
We say passer le bac. It's like you say graduated, be graduated for you.
France, get your education. You can move back. I bet that's where Bernie Sanders got the idea from.
Alors, we are going to see Luxembourg Garden in a few seconds in front of you. So you could do a beautiful photo on your left, you have the view of Panthéon, if you don't have the bus.
Panthéon.
So, Luxembourg Garden on your right. There is inside the palace of Marie de Médicis. She was Italian. and she wanted to have a palace for like in Italy. So that means a palace and a garden. We are going to see the palace in a few seconds. You could do a beautiful photo, a perspective. You are going to see a perspective with observatory and the palace of Marie de Médicis. Now they like to do exhibitions, so now it's about Vulcano. You say Vulcano? Les volcans. Do you like jazz? Alors there is a very famous club of jazz just in a few seconds on your left. It's called Petit Journal. And if you've seen La La Land, it's in the Latin Quarter. There is the Cabo de la Huchette, where something happened. It's very, very fast in the movie, but about it's a club, jazz club.
Volcanoes.
It's close to Saint-Séverin. Remember the church I told you, Latin Quarter? It's Rue de la Huchette. So because you've seen Normandy, you remember the beaches and D-Day. D-Day débarquement, you remember? In Normandy. So you remember Paris was occupied by German people, and you are going to see bullshot guns in a few seconds on your right. Tu feras un petit ralentissement vers le drapeau. Regarde, à droite. Vas-y, je vais te dire. Au deuxième panneau. Alors, in a few seconds you are going to see. So, names of resistance people are written on the wall, and it's bullshot guns, remains of German occupation. Alors, you know, you've seen London. Do you know the difference between London and Paris? Very important. Hein? Qu'est-ce que t'as dit? Ah oui, ouais, okay. But something happened during the war. Et alors, France was occupied and it was not destroyed. You've seen London, a big part of London was destroyed. Why Paris was not destroyed? Exactly, Hitler wanted, non, tu vas à droite là. Hitler wanted to destroy Paris. But the general of the army, of Germany army, settled, because you know, German occupation, they settled in the luxurious hotel in Paris. And von Scholtis, it was the general of the army, Germany army, settled in Maurice Hotel, and he refused to obey to the order of Hitler to destroy Paris. And there was another man, Nordlin, it was ambassador de Suède. You say Swedish? Ambassador de Suède, ambassador of Swedish, and resistant people, everybody is refused and it was completely safe. Là tu fais un ralentissement, un petit arrêt. So we are, that's great, you know, because he began to destroy, and some suburbs were destroyed. Alors look at, that's the famous palace I told you of Marie de Médicis. Now that's political house, it's Senate. And just on the other side, it's Observatory of Paris. And you have a very beautiful line, a very beautiful perspective, because they like to do perspective in Paris, the architect. Okay, thank you, Dragan. Alors, the Garden of Luxembourg, that's very nice to jog, to do stretching. We have beehives inside. That's very, very great just to walk.
That, huh?
Lycée Montaigne on your left, very great high school.
On the door and the windows.
It's one of the best too with Louis le Grand.